Welcome to this 40-hour course helps you develop the knowledge and skills to improve your personal productivity by using Microsoft Excel. This course helps you understand the powerful and useful tools available in Excel and how you can use them to improve your productivity. This course is having 8 learning modules. Module 1. Create, open, edit, and save workbooks, understand the interface, and navigate to workbook elements. Module 2. Manage workbooks and worksheets, change the screen display, and customize the quick access toolbar. Module 3. Format cells and numbers, align and wrap content, add and remove cell styles, and merge cells. Module 4. Format data as a table, work with table styles, create named tables, define range names, and filter and sort data. Module 5. Create and display formulas, use references and common functions in formulas, and understand calculation operators and precedence. Module 6. Get data from other sources, fix text formatting by using text functions, and insert hyperlinks to related information. Module 7. Apply conditional formatting to data, create, edit, and format charts, create sparklines, and use the Quick Analysis feature to quickly analyze data. Module 8. Configure a workbook's print settings and page setup, add and edit headers and footers, modify basic workbook properties, and inspect a workbook for compatibility and accessibility issues. See you in the first module.